Do you remember the futuristic movies where virtual assistants and augmented reality were commonplace? Apple's Vision Pro and ChatGPT might just turn that science fiction into reality. We're living in some seriously exciting times. And today, we're going to dive into how AI is changing the game like never before. From Apple's mind-blowing Vision Pro to the awe-inspiring capabilities of ChatGPT, we're witnessing a revolution that's about to turn our world upside down in the best possible way. All right. Let's start with the heavyweight champion of the tech world, Apple. These guys have been teasing us with their vision of spatial computing for years, and now they finally delivered with the Vision Pro. This bad boy is a headset computer that promises to layer apps and information right over the real world. Talk about augmented reality on steroids. But here's the thing, fam. Apple isn't just claiming to have created a cool new gadget. They're boldly stating that the Vision Pro is the beginning of a whole new era. And when a tech giant like Apple makes claims like that, you know they mean business.
Now sure, we've seen other companies dabbling in headset computers before, but Apple is taking things to a whole new level. They're not just aiming for a cool gimmick or a fancy toy. They want the Vision Pro to be a full-fledged computer that can seamlessly integrate into their ecosystem, right alongside the Mac and the iPad.
And let's be real, when Apple sets their sights on something, they go all in. We're talking about eye tracking, hand tracking, and a display that's being touted as a technical marvel. Imagine being able to plop virtual windows all around you, work on Excel and Slack like it's no big deal, or even watch movies on a gigantic 4K HDR display floating in space. Crazy, right? But here's the kicker. Apple isn't just throwing tech at a wall and hoping something sticks. They're crafting a whole new way of interacting with computers and information. They're calling it spatial computing, and it's all about layering apps and data over the real world, creating a seamless blend of digital and physical spaces. Now, we know what you're thinking, but wait, haven't other companies been doing this for years? And you're right, my friends. The likes of Meta and others have been tinkering with headset computers and virtual reality for quite some time. But Apple, being Apple, is aiming to take things to the next level, to create a device that's not just a gimmick or a novelty, but a fully fledged computer that can integrate seamlessly into our digital lives. But that's not all, folks. We'd be remiss if we didn't talk about the other AI powerhouse that's been taking the world by storm, ChatGPT. This bad boy is an AI language model that's been churning out mind-blowing responses, making us all question whether we're living in some sort of sci-fi future. Now we know what you're thinking. AI assistants? Haven't we seen those before? And you're right, we have. But ChatGPT is different. This AI isn't just spitting out pre-programmed responses. It's actually understanding and interpreting our language and then crafting unique, contextual responses that are blowing our minds. We're talking about an AI that can write essays, code programs, analyze data, and even engage in philosophical discussions, all while sounding like a friendly, articulate human being. It's like having a super intelligent buddy who's always there to lend a hand, no matter what you need. But here's the real kicker. ChatGPT is just the beginning. We're witnessing the dawn of a new era in AI, where these language models are becoming more and more sophisticated, more and more capable, and more integrated into our daily lives. Imagine having an AI assistant that can help you with everything from scheduling your day to writing that big report for work. Imagine being able to ask it questions about anything under the sun and getting intelligent, nuanced responses in return. Imagine having a virtual tutor, a virtual assistant, and a virtual companion all rolled into one. And that's just the tip of the iceberg, my friends. As these AI models become more advanced, they're going to start revolutionizing entire industries, from healthcare and education to finance and beyond. We're talking about AI that can diagnose diseases, personalize learning experiences, and even make financial predictions with mind-boggling accuracy. But that's not all. The creators of ChatGPT have created another AI project called Sora AI that can literally convert your text to videos. This revolutionary text-to-video model is capable of generating mind-blowingly realistic and imaginative scenes based solely on your written descriptions. Talk about bringing your wildest visions to life. But wait, there's more. OpenAI has already released several mind-blowing video demonstrations showcasing Sora AI's capabilities, and let me tell you, they'll make your jaw drop. We're talking about a level of detail, motion, and visual effects that you'd expect from a big-budget Hollywood production, all generated from simple text prompts. The convergence of AI and spatial computing. But here's where things get really interesting. What happens when you combine the power of AI like ChatGPT with the mind-bending potential of spatial computing offered by devices like the Apple Vision Pro? That's when the real magic starts to happen, folks. Imagine being able to summon your AI assistant with just a glance or a gesture and have it appear in your augmented reality environment, ready to assist you with whatever you need. You could ask it to pull up information, analyze data, or even generate visual representations and 3D models right before your eyes. And that's just scratching the surface. With the power of AI and spatial computing combined, we could see the rise of virtual assistants that can understand and interpret our physical environments, offering context-aware assistance and guidance in real time. Imagine being able to walk into a room and have your AI assistant instantly recognize the objects and people around you, providing you with relevant information and insights without you even having to ask. Or picture yourself working on a complex project, with your AI companion standing by your side, offering suggestions, generating visuals, and even collaborating with you in real time. It's a future where the lines between digital and physical become blurred, where our virtual assistants become seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, and where the boundaries of what's possible are constantly being pushed. Now we know what you might be thinking. This all sounds incredible, but isn't there a risk of AI becoming too powerful, too intelligent, too, well, scary? And you're right to have those concerns, my friends. As AI continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, it's crucial that we approach this technology with caution, ethics, and a strong sense of responsibility. But here's the thing. AI isn't some unstoppable force that we have to fear or try to control. It's a tool, a powerful, game-changing tool, but a tool nonetheless. And like any tool, it's up to us to wield it responsibly, to shape it, to guide it, and to ensure that it serves the greater good of humanity. That's why it's so important for us to embrace this AI revolution with open minds and open hearts. We need to engage with it, understand it, and work to ensure that it develops in a way that aligns with our values and our ethical principles. Because at the end of the day, AI isn't just about creating cool gadgets or fancy assistants. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, about unlocking new frontiers of knowledge and discovery, and about using technology to make our lives better, easier, and more fulfilling. So let's not fear the AI revolution, my friends. Let's embrace it. Let's get excited about the possibilities it offers, while also remaining vigilant and committed to shaping it in a way that serves the greater good. Because when you really think about it, the convergence of AI and spatial computing isn't just a technological revolution, it's a human revolution. It's about using these incredible tools to unlock the full potential of our creativity, our intellect, and our ability to solve problems and push the boundaries of what's possible. Well, that's all for today. So buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because we're in for one heck of a ride. The future is coming, and it's looking pretty darn amazing.